Do you want to start the keto diet, but you're super confused about where to go? Searching YouTube, Google, everywhere with conflicting answers like, should you eat protein? What should your macros be? Is keto safe for women? Is keto safe long term? That's why we wrote Keto Answers, 268 of the most popular questions and all their detailed answers. I'm Dr. Anthony Gustin, a functional medicine clinician who's helped tons of people reclaim their health using a ketogenic diet.
And I'm Chris Irvin, a ketogenic diet researcher and writer. We both get a ton of questions about the ketogenic diet on a daily basis and have put in countless hours of research into finding the correct answers to those questions.
And not only did we do that, but we took that research and worked with people on a one-on-one basis to help them find the results that they were looking for. You've probably seen some of the basic keto books before that leave you with a bunch of recipes and way more questions than you had when you started.
Yeah, so the Keto Answers book is conversational, practical, and visual. It contains over 50 infographics to help make this information very easy for you guys to understand.
Yeah, and the best part about it is it doesn't read like all the other books. So we've broken it down, 504 pages, 268 different questions and answers. So you can read it front to back and get all the information you need, or you can just go back to the index, find what question pertains to you, and flip to that page to get your answer right away. If you guys have any questions about the ketogenic diet, want to lose fat, increase mental performance, or even kill it in the gym and do it in a healthy way, pick up Keto Answers today. The best part about it is that you're not just getting basic information. It's almost like you're getting a tiny little version of me and Chris shrunk down, put in your pocket to answer every question you have along your way.
And that's not weird, it's beneficial.
It's the best.